How to add friends in T3 Arena. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech4Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily add friends in T3 Arena and team up, chat and enjoy matches together. First things first, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. Once you are in, go ahead and click on these two human icons at the top right corner to open up the social menu. Now go to the left hand side and tap on Add. Under Add, you can go ahead and find friends and send them friend requests from the suggested list. If you want to look for a specific player, you'll need to go to the Search Player tab at the top and enter the player ID or the username of your friend. Make a search for your friend and then from the search result find your friend and tap the little plus icon right next to the friend's name on the right corner to send them the friend request. You can also find friends from the suggested list. Simply go to the right corner of the friends info and tap the plus button. Repeat the step to send friend request to the people that you want to add, and you'll then be able to send the friend request. Now, your friend need to accept the request, and after approval, they will appear in your friend list. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.